Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite shower products. I recently discovered a few more favorites, and so I wanted to put a video together because I have a couple products that I really can't imagine showering without. So I thought that it would be helpful to do a whole video on these products instead of just throwing them in like favorites videos, because I don't really do those that often. So I'm going to go through all of the products one by one, just kind of explaining what it does and why I love it, basically. So I'm gonna get into the first product. The first product for me has been a favorite for a while, and this is the Amika Nourishing Hair Mask, and I have repurchased this twice already. I believe I talked about this in some sort of favorites video. I mentioned that when I kept it in my shower, my boyfriend used it all up, which was kind of a bummer because I spent a lot of money on this, and it's one of those products that you don't use every time you shower. Whenever I plan on having a longer shower, like shaving my legs, then I will put this in my hair and let it soak in so that I'm not rushing this product and it does have some time to sink into my hair. So I've already repurchased this and I love this product. I'm almost done it, so it's gonna be in an empties video coming soon. More recently, I started using essential oils in the shower, and that really adds to the steam and it smells so amazing. If you guys have been to a spa, you guys know that like the eucalyptus steam rooms smell so incredible. So what I do in my shower is sometimes I will take this eucalyptus essential oil and I will just kind of sprinkle it in the shower, I guess, and once the steam gets going, it really starts to feel like you're in a steam room, which I love. It's my favorite part of the spa, so when I can have something like this in my shower, it just feels and smells so lovely. And my favorite scent is obviously eucalyptus, but you can use pretty much any essential oil. And then along with that essential oils, I've been also using the Sage Energy Revitalizing Mist. Now this is a cheaper version of the oil, and what I love doing with this is just spritzing it up into the shower. It just kind of makes me feel like I'm at the spa. So this is another option. I just keep these in my shower and just kind of use them however I'm feeling that day. And my last favorite product is probably my favorite at the moment, and this is the Being by Sanctuary Spa Chili Mango and Tonka Bean Shower Burst Gel. Recently I received this in an influencer box, and I receive products from them pretty often, and this is just one of those products that really stood out to me. I've never heard of this brand before, but right away the scent of it smells incredible. It almost smells like Swedish berries, so if you guys love really sweet scents, they also have like pastry scented ones, like really sweet sugary ones, and a whole bunch of different scents that you can choose from. Another incredible thing about this product is that it comes out as a gel and then it foams up. That's kind of the way I would describe the texture. It's like a shaving cream, so it really gets that lather going. So I use this when I'm shaving my legs. I use this washing my whole body. It's really an incredible product to use all over, and I believe that they now sell this at Shoppers Drug Mart, so I'm going to go pick some up in different scents once I'm done this. So that's it for this video. Those are my 4 essential products for the shower. I love these products and I will continue to purchase them. I also think that putting an essential oil in your shower is a new love of mine, and I'm going to continue to do that and try out different scents as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!